Are you somebody who are dealing with a frizzy hair and want to get that healthy looking, smooth and shiny hair? Then you're at the right place. Hi, my name is Shruti and welcome to my channel. In this channel, I make a dedicated video on hair care, skin care, fashion hauls, vlogs and lifestyle related videos. So if you're somebody who are interested in such topic, then go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video, I'm going to take up 3 days Flexi Gel challenge. That means I will be applying Flexi Gel on my hair for continuous 3 days and see the result. I will not be applying conditioner or a shampoo, and I will make sure that I will just keep it as raw as I can and show you guys the result. Yeah, so if you're somebody who wants to know what exactly Flexi does to our hair, then keep watching it till the end. So without further delay, let's see how Flexi Gel is prepared. To prepare this Flexi Gel, all you need is 2 glass of water and you will be adding 4 tablespoons of flax seeds. I'm using a raw flax seed over here. I'm not using the roasted one. Boil this mixture for 5 to 8 minutes or till you see the froth on the surface. You can also check whether the water has converted into gel or not by doing this motion and see the consistency. Once you see the consistency right, you can just switch off the flame and let this mixture cool down for half an hour. After half an hour, this is how the Flexi Gel looks like. As you can see, the flax seeds have settled down below and I can easily take up the gel, directly transferring it to the container which I will be using to store it, and rest I will be straining the gel out of it. Now to take up the gel from the flaxseed, you need a cloth which is kind of a transparent enough, and you can just strain the flaxseed gel from the flaxseeds. There you go. The Flexi Gel is now ready to use. Hey guys, so today is the day 1 of me applying the Flexi Gel on my hair, and as I mentioned, no shampoo, no conditioner for next 3 days. I've already washed my hair and this is how my hair looks after a wash. If you're wondering that my hair looks shorter than in the previous video, you guessed it right. I have gone for a cut and this is how my hair looks after a haircut. I have cut my hair after 2 long years. I've trimmed them at the ends, but I've gone a little shorter when it comes to my frame, like face frame. So yeah, I'm way too excited for this as I haven't applied anything in a stretch for like 3 days or 5 days or 10 days on my hair, and I'm really willing to do this. So that's how my hair looks right now before application of the Flexi Gel. And here's a clip of me showing my hair in the daylight condition. So without further delay, let's get into the application. So I'm taking my thumb finger and placing it on my ear, and I'm just running through my hair, and that's how I section my hair. So this section of my hair is just gonna go up, and I'll just secure it with a clip. I'm a little conscious to do it on the camera because it's kind of awkward for me. I will be applying a good amount of Flexi Gel on my scalp and then I'll be running it till my tip. So yeah. So satisfying. It's kind of a therapy for me. I like all the application of the hair mask. I just like myself to I just take it as a therapy because it's so satisfying to apply this kind of a gel on hair, like, if you know what I mean. I do not forget to apply it on my tips because my tips are really frizzy. I don't want them to look dry. I just want them to be frizz free and silk and smooth all through the week. So yeah, it looks so good. I'm just applying the excess and I'm gonna massage all over so that I get the best benefit of this mask. So yeah, so that's how my hair looks right now after complete application. I look so funny. Anyways, I'm just gonna keep it on my hair for 1 or 2 hours and just wash it away, and I'll see you on the day 2. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 and that's how my hair is looking right now. I must say my hair feels much lighter than yesterday, and combing was a task for me. Like detangling my hair was a task for me before application of Flexi Gel, but now I don't find it as a task. After just one application, I feel that my hair has become really soft. Then I cannot wait to apply it for 3 days and tell you guys the results, okay? As of now, my scalp is little greasy. This is just because I haven't washed my hair with the shampoo or conditioner. I've just washed them with the plain water. I think that is okay as of now. So let's go ahead and get into the application for day 2. Done with application for day 2 and I will keep it for 1 hour or so and then wash it away and see you on day 3. Hey guys, welcome to day 3 and as you could see, I've already applied the gel on my hair and I'm really excited to wash it away because it's the 3rd day and I will be giving my final verdict to you guys after the wash. So see you after the hair wash. Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to the final reveal. Irrespective of you're a man or a woman, I think everybody should try Flexi Gel onto their hair at least once in a lifetime, so that it will not only make your hair look shinier, softer and healthier than before, it also aids for a regrowth. I myself was struggling with a baby hair and I must say that after application of Flexi Gel, the growth of my baby hair is like so amazing, so commendable. Usually we take care of the length of our hair, but जिसको भी बेबी हेयर का प्रॉब्लम है, I would definitely suggest you guys to really concentrate at the tips of your baby hair and just rub it and massage it so well, and I'm damn sure that you will also see the regrowth of the baby hair. I'm definitely going to include Flexi Gel into my hair care routine, wherein I usually used to apply oil and then wash my hair, but this time I'm going to replace the oil with the Flexi Gel as it only takes 2 or 3 minutes to prepare this gel, and also application is much hassle free than application of the oil. I'm going to keep applying Flexi Gel every week before I take shower and wash it away with a mild shampoo, and you would not even require conditioner after washing your hair with the Flexi Gel. It just gets the job done very efficiently. I would highly suggest you guys to keep this on for 1 hour. Please don't wash it away in half an hour. उससे क्या होता है? You will reduce the efficiency of any mask or any gel. As you guys know that hair has a cuticle layer, and it is good to keep any mask or any gel at least for 1 hour, at least to get the best results, okay? If you guys have a massive hair fall and baldness and itching scalp, then I would recommend you guys to watch this video. Take a moment and watch this video and use this mask for 3 times in order to stop the hair fall completely, and then you can add Flexi Gel onto your hair care routine to get the best out of your hair. That's it for today's video guys. I hope you like it. If you did, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down if you're trying it. If you're watching my face for the first time, then hi, my name is Shruti. I would highly appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. This is me, Shruti Shidling, signing off as of now. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, sanitize, double mask and take care. You want to say something to them? No. And who says subscribe?
Hello.
Okay, who want to say subscribe?
Subscribe.
Thank you, Ryu.
Oh,
I love you. Tutu loves you. Ciao. Let me make a video now.
okay.
Mama, I want to make a video. I want to make a video.
Jump.
Jump we'll do after video, okay?
Ready?
I'm not ready.